Welcome back to the CarBlitz. Today, we've got something special that blends everyday reliability with top-down fun, the all-new 2025 Honda Civic Cabriolet. That's right, Honda has taken their beloved Civic and sliced the top off, delivering a fresh take on a familiar favorite. Whether you're cruising the coast or navigating downtown traffic, this convertible is turning heads. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 Civic Cabriolet a standout in its class. From the front, you get those signature LED headlights, a bold grille, and aerodynamic sculpting that flows smoothly into the doors. Around back, Honda has added subtle styling cues to differentiate it from the sedan and hatchback versions. The rear deck has been redesigned to accommodate the folding soft top, and it blends in surprisingly well, preserving the Civic's clean silhouette. Inside, you'll find the same thoughtful, minimalist design that Civic fans love. The dashboard is low and horizontal, creating an open and airy feel. Materials are solid and soft touch in all the right places, with tasteful metallic accents throughout. The seating is comfortable and supportive, with options for heated front seats, leather upholstery, and even a driver memory function on higher trims. In terms of tech, Honda has packed the Civic Cabriolet with all the goodies. You'll get a standard 7-inch touchscreen on the base model, but step up to the EXL or Touring trims and that expands to a crisp 9-inch display. Both screens support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but wireless connectivity is reserved for the larger screen. A wireless phone charger, premium 12-speaker Bose audio system, and a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster round out the high-tech interior. Under the hood, the Cabriolet offers two engine choices. The base model comes with a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine pushing 158 horsepower. It's paired with a CVT and offers smooth, efficient driving, perfect for daily commuters who just want something a little more fun on the weekends. But if you're looking for a little more zip, the 1.5-liter turbocharged engine is the one to go for. With 180 horsepower and 177 lb-ft of torque, it provides noticeably more punch, especially in highway passing situations. And the CVT is tuned to mimic gear changes under heavy acceleration, giving a more natural driving feel. Honda hasn't offered a manual transmission on this Cabriolet, at least not yet, but the existing setup is responsive and easy to live with. On the safety front, the Civic Cabriolet comes standard with the full Honda sensing suite. That includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert are also included on higher trims. It's clear Honda didn't cut corners just because this Civic is aimed at fun. They've kept practicality and safety firmly in mind. So, who is this car for? It's for the daily driver who wants more joy in their commute. It's for the weekend cruiser who misses the days when compact convertibles were more common. It's for the Civic loyalist who wants something different, but not so different that it sacrifices what makes the Civic great. Alright, that's a wrap on the 2025 Honda Civic Cabriolet. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more car content, and let me know in the comments, would you daily a convertible like this? Or is it too much fun for your practical side to handle? Thanks for watching.